What would be the color of the solution obtained when some crystals of copper sulfate are dissolved in water? Option 1, green, Option 2, red, Option 3, blue, Option 4, brown. The answer is, Option 3, blue. What happens when dilute HCl is added to zinc pieces taken in a test tube? Option 1, no change takes place, Option 2, the color of the solution becomes yellow, Option 3, a pungent smelling gas gets liberated, Option 4, small bubbles of H2 gas appear on the surface of zinc pieces. The answer is, Option 4, small bubbles of H2 gas appear on the surface of zinc pieces. How many molecules of ozone are required for every 1 molecule of PbS as per the balanced equation? Option 1, 4, Option 2, 3, Option 3, 2, Option 4, 1. The answer is, Option 3, 2. What is the chemical composition of rust? Option 1, hydrated ferrous oxide, Option 2, hydrated ferric oxide, Option 3, only ferric oxide, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, hydrated ferric oxide. What is the product of the reaction between sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and hydrochloric acid, HCl? Option 1, NaCl plus H2O, Option 2, NaOH and HCl, Option 3, NaCl and H2, Option 4, NaCl. The answer is, Option 1, NaCl plus H2O. Which metal does copper displace from its salt solution? Option 1, ZnSO4, Option 2, FeSO4, Option 3, AgNO3, Option 4, NiSO4. The answer is, Option 3, AgNO3. What is the charge on the anode in an electric cell where electrolysis is carried out? Option 1, positive charge, Option 2, negative charge, Option 3, connected to the negative terminal of the battery, Option 4, none of these is correct. The answer is, Option 1, positive charge. What type of reaction is H2 plus Cl2? 2HCl? Option 1, oxidation, Option 2, reduction, Option 3, decomposition, Option 4, combination. The answer is, Option 4, combination. What is the product of the reaction between magnesium, Mg, and oxygen, O2? Option 1, MgO2, Option 2, Mg2O, Option 3, 2MgO, Option 4, MgO2. The answer is, Option 3, 2MgO. What is the substance called that oxidizes itself and reduces others? Option 1, oxidizing agent, Option 2, reducing agent, Option 3, both, A and B, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, reducing agent. Which gas is evolved when zinc granules react with dilute HCl? Option 1, chlorine, Option 2, hydrogen, Option 3, HCl, Option 4, nitrogen. The answer is, Option 2, hydrogen. Dissolving sugar in water is an example of which type of change? Option 1, physical change, Option 2, chemical change, Option 3, redo multiply by reaction, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 1, physical change. Which reaction evolves heat? Option 1, endothermic reaction, Option 2, displacement reaction, Option 3, combustion reaction, Option 4, combination reaction. The answer is, Option 3, combustion reaction. Which of the following is not a balanced chemical equation? Option 1, Fe plus Cl2 gives FeCl3, Option 2, Mg plus CuSO4 gives MgSO4 and Cu. Option 3, NaOH and HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Option 4, Zn and S gives ZnS. The answer is, option 1, Fe plus Cl2 gives FeCl3. The reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide in aqueous solution is an example of which type of reaction? Option 1, decomposition reaction. Option 2, displacement reaction. Option 3, double displacement reaction. Option 4, neutralization reaction. The answer is, option 3, double displacement reaction. What are the products when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filings? Option 1, hydrogen gas and iron chloride. Option 2, chlorine gas and iron hydroxides. Option 3, no reaction takes place. Option 4, iron salt and water. The answer is, option 1, hydrogen gas and iron chloride. Which gas is used for storing fresh samples of oil for a longer time? Option 1, carbon dioxide or oxygen. Option 2, nitrogen or helium. Option 3, helium or oxygen. Option 4, nitrogen or oxygen. The answer is, option 2, nitrogen or helium. What is the coefficient of nitrogen dioxide in the balanced equation for the decomposition of lead, 2, nitrate? Option 1, 1, option 2, 2, option 3, 3, option 4, 4. The answer is, option 2, 2. Why is silver chloride stored in dark-colored bottles? Option 1, a white solid. Option 2, undergoes redo-multiply by reaction. Option 3, to avoid action by sunlight. Option 4, none of the above. The answer is, option 3, to avoid action by sunlight. Why do silver articles turn black when kept in the open for a few days? Option 1, H2S. Option 2, AgS. Option 3, AgSO4. Option 4, Ag2S. The answer is, option 4, Ag2S. What is the color of phenolphthalein in an acidic medium? Option 1, yellow. Option 2, pink. Option 3, colorless. Option 4, blue. The answer is, option 3, colorless. Which gas burns with a pop sound? Option 1, H2. Option 2, CO2. Option 3, CuSO4. Option 4, CH4. The answer is, option 1, H2. What is formed when excess CO2 is passed through lime water, causing the milkiness to disappear? Option 1, calcium hydroxide. Option 2, calcium chloride. Option 3, calcium bicarbonate. Option 4, calcium carbonate. The answer is, option 3, calcium bicarbonate. Which substances can remove the greenish coating on copper articles? Option 1, lemon. Option 2, tamarind. Option 3, vinegar. Option 4, all of the above. The answer is, option 4, all of the above. What is the pH of rainwater? Option 1, equals 7. Option 2, less than 7. Option 3, greater than 7. Option 4, not equal to 7. The answer is, option 2, less than 7. Which acid is present in tomatoes? Option 1, lactic acid. Option 2, oxalic acid. Option 3, tartaric acid. Option 4, methanoic acid. The answer is, option 2, oxalic acid. What is the pH nature of a sodium carbonate solution? Option 1, strongly acidic. Option 2, weakly acidic. Option 3, strongly alkaline. Option 4, weakly alkaline. The answer is, Option 3, strongly alkaline. Which gas is produced at the anode during the chlor-alkali process? Option 1, Cl2, Option 2, H2, Option 3, NaOH, Option 4, O2. The answer is, Option 1, Cl2. What is the common name for the substance used as an antacid? Option 1, washing soda, Option 2, plaster of Paris, Option 3, bleaching powder, Option 4, baking soda. The answer is, Option 4, baking soda. How many molecules of water of crystallization are present in washing soda? Option 1, 2, Option 2, 1/2, Option 3, 10, Option 4, 5. The answer is, Option 3, 10. Which of the following is not a form of calcium carbonate? Option 1, chalk, Option 2, limestone, Option 3, eggshell, Option 4, quicklime. The answer is, Option 4, quicklime. If a solution turns blue litmus red, what color will it show on pH paper? Option 1, green, Option 2, blue, Option 3, red, Option 4, none of the above. The answer is, Option 3, red. Which fruit divided by vegetable is basic in nature? Option 1, lemon, Option 2, tomato, Option 3, broccoli, Option 4, oranges. The answer is, Option 3, broccoli. What are the products when calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid? Option 1, X, Ca, O, 2, Y, H2O, Z, CO2, Option 2, X, CaCl2, Y, H2O, Z, CO2, Option 3, X, Ca, O, 2, Y, H2O, Z, H2, Option 4, X, CaCl2, Y, H2O, Z, H2. The answer is, Option 2, X, CaCl2, Y, H2O, Z, CO2. When you clean a metal vessel with tamarind, what is the reactant X in the reaction metal oxide and X? Salt and water? Option 1, acid, Option 2, base, Option 3, hydrogen, Option 4, carbon dioxide. The answer is, Option 1, acid. Which pair of acid and base should a student use to make a basic salt? Option 1, HCl and NaOH, Option 2, H2CO3 plus NaOH, Option 3, HCl plus NH4OH, Option 4, H2SO4 plus KOH. The answer is, Option 2, H2CO3 plus NaOH. Which solution can neutralize milk of magnesia, which has a pH of 10? Option 1, baking soda, Option 2, common salt, Option 3, vinegar, Option 4, none of the above. The answer is, Option 3, vinegar. Which of the following is an acidic salt? Option 1, ammonium chloride, Option 2, sodium chloride, Option 3, potassium chloride, Option 4, calcium chloride. The answer is, Option 1, ammonium chloride. Which gas is produced at the cathode during the chlor-alkali process? Option 1, hydrogen, Option 2, chlorine, Option 3, water, Option 4, sodium hydroxide. The answer is, Option 1, hydrogen. How many water molecules are present in white-colored copper sulfate crystals? Option 1, 0, Option 2, 1, Option 3, 2, Option 4, 5. The answer is, Option 1, 0. Which gas, responsible for the softening of cakes and bread, is formed when baking powder is heated? Option 1, carbon monoxide, option 2, carbon dioxide, option 3, chlorine, option 4, tartaric acid. The answer is, option 2, carbon dioxide. What happens to the hydrogen ion concentration when lime juice is added to a vinegar solution? Option 1, increases, option 2, decreases, option 3, do not change, option 4, fluctuates. The answer is, option 2, decreases. Which sodium compound is used in the manufacture of borax, glass, and paper? Option 1, sodium chloride, option 2, sodium bicarbonate, option 3, sodium carbonate, option 4, sodium nitrate. The answer is, option 3, sodium carbonate. Which of the following is considered an alkali? Option 1, magnesium hydroxide, option 2, calcium hydroxide, option 3, sodium hydroxide, option 4, aluminum hydroxide. The answer is, option 3, sodium hydroxide. Which substances are involved when zinc metal reacts with X to form zinc sulfate and gas Y that burns with a pop sound? Option 1, X, H2SO4, Y, CO2, option 2, X, H2SO4, Y, H2, option 3, X, HCl, Y, H2, option 4, X, HCl, Y, CO2. The answer is, option 3, X, HCl, Y, H2. Which metal has the highest melting point? Option 1, copper, option 2, silver, option 3, sodium, option 4, tungsten. The answer is, option 4, tungsten. What is the composition of aqua regia? Option 1, dilute hydrochloric acid ratio concentrated nitric acid 3:1, option 2, concentrated hydrochloric acid ratio dilute nitric acid 3:1, option 3, concentrated hydrochloric acid ratio concentrated nitric acid 3:1, option 4, dilute hydrochloric acid ratio dilute nitric acid 3:1. The answer is, option 3, concentrated hydrochloric acid ratio concentrated nitric acid 3:1. Why are food cans coated with tin and not zinc? Option 1, zinc is costlier than tin. Option 2, zinc has a higher melting point than tin. Option 3, zinc is more reactive than tin. Option 4, zinc is less reactive than tin. The answer is, option 3, zinc is more reactive than tin. Which element, reacting with oxygen to form a compound with a high melting point that is soluble in water, is likely to be? Option 1, calcium, option 2, carbon, option 3, silicon, option 4, iron. The answer is, option 1, calcium. What is a characteristic of metals? Option 1, they have 1 to 3 valence electrons, option 2, they have 4 to 8 valence electrons, option 3, they are brittle, option 4, they are capable to form anions easily. The answer is, option 1, they have 1 to 3 valence electrons. When a reactive metal, M, is treated with dilute H2SO4, which gas is evolved and is collected over water? Option 1, the gas is hydrogen, option 2, the gas is lighter than air, option 3, the gas is SO2 and is lighter than air, option 4, both, A and B. The answer is, option 4, both, A and B. What is an alloy? Option 1, an element, option 2, a compound, option 3, a homogeneous mixture, option 4, a heterogeneous mixture. The answer is, option 3, a homogeneous mixture. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the complete MCQ question bank video available on my channel. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.